Holystone HS720G review. Got that coming up next. Build a Drone Reviewer here. If you like the content of this video or anything on my channel, make sure you hit the subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you don't miss any future content. With that, let's begin. Holystone approached me to test the Holystone HS720G. So first we'll take a look at the unboxing, then we'll take a look at the flight, and then I'll wrap things up. Okay, we're going to go ahead and take a look and see what you get with the Holystone HS720G. First of all, here's the box that it comes in. And what's real nice is it comes in this real nice zippered container. Let me go ahead and unzip it here for you. With plenty of room for the drone and the accessories. Here's a detailed instruction manual, and it is detailed. Here's the drone itself. And the battery goes in the back. Here is the battery. And the battery charges with this USB cable right here. And then last but not least is the controller. It is battery operated. Handles come out. And then here is for your phone holder, and it adjusts so you can adjust the angle for the phone holder. Also included with the Holystone HS720G were spare propellers, a screwdriver, and a gimbal cover. Okay, that was the unboxing. Let's take a look at the flight. Okay, we got the Holystone HS720G up for a little spin here. Let's go ahead and get the camera started. Took a photo there. Go ahead and get recording started. We got recording started. Let's take it up in the air here a little bit, see what we got. All right. Looking good so far in this initial test flight. Let's go ahead and switch things up here a little bit. Okay, I'm finding that we just don't have a lot of range with this here, so there's our house down there, and now it's getting no transmission signal again. and it's returning, it says. So evidently it lost the connection, and that's not very far at all. We probably weren't more than 300 feet away. Okay, it landed, obviously not on the pad. We're going to try it out for second flight here. Again, interesting about the Alright, got the drone up. We're going to try it again, see if we can get a little more range this time. Let's head out here a little bit. Seems like I'm getting a little bit better range this time out. Now, no transmission signal. It's at about 535 feet here. Now it's back. Now it's gone again. Okay, we're going to go ahead and do a return to home here. Okay, we're going to take it out for a third spin here. I'm actually going to go out to the cul-de-sac, see if maybe we can get a little bit better range here with this. Okay, let's see if we get some better range with it here this time. About 50 feet. Let's take it out here. I got like 200 feet out. 400 feet, 500, and another weak signal again. I'm gonna have to return to home. It's interesting how it does the return to home. It does not turn the drone around. It actually backs up, which is very interesting. Actually hit the landing pad this time. It's very interesting. All the flights, I did it more out in the open. I adjusted the antennas, and we're still getting this, about 500 feet, it loses its transmission signal. So that concludes this test. Now to wrap things up, I did have several pluses and a big minus that I wanted to go ahead and share with you. The pluses are that it does appear stable when it takes off, using in GPS mode, of course. Now, the video quality appears to be good to very good. The app also appears to be very straightforward and fairly easy to understand and navigate. And also, it does come with a very nice carry case, as you saw in the unboxing. Now, the big minus is it does have very limited range. In all my testing, I wasn't able to get past about 500 or 550 feet, and I did it in a variety of situations. From different positions, and I adjusted the antenna, but the result was still the same during all of those times. Also, an item of note, when it does a return to home, the drone does not spin around like you see with a DJI drone, but it backs up when it does the return to home. Question of the day: what did you think of the Holystone HS720G flight review? Let me know in the comments section below. Thanks so much for watching, and remember, it's a great day to fly.